gosh. Girl, where you from? You must be from Planet Mars, baby, because you out of space with it. What's up, you guys? It is your girl birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. You guys, you see this fit though? You see this fit? Fashion Nova. Yes, your girl is looking fine. Two kids wear. Two kids wear. Two kids wear. This is so cute. I'll do a whole haul for you guys, okay? So that video will be coming up. This video is gonna be a hair video. So I got this hair from Amazon. I just want to show you guys real quick. It's from Ucrown hair, and it's BODYWAVE. It's on Amazon. It's a 5x5 closure. Came in this bag right here. 100% human hair. This is a really cute little, like, you know, you can like, that's cute. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. 22-inch hair, BODYWAVE, okay, because your girl's serving body. I'm serving body, okay, so you know I have to get the BODYWAVE. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, this hair is so freaking pretty. Yo, serving body. Serving body. Ooh, look at it. I mean, y'all don't look at my hair. Don't look at my hair. Y'all dirty. That's why I'm sitting back, because I don't want y'all to get like. So it's a 5x5 closure wig. This is what the inside looks like. It has two combs right here. It has one comb right there in the middle and at the bottom. Hold on, y'all ready for me? Y'all ready? Oh, hold on. Oh, darn it. My hair ain't even braided, as y'all can see. I'm going through it. I'm way behind. I'm behind schedule, okay? It came in the package. It came with a little thank you note. Yo, this girl, why is she's so pretty. She's a YouTuber. Why is she like on every company's like website or packaging or something? She's so beautiful, and it's like, I see her all the time, okay? And it actually matches my skin color. Ooh, okay, I didn't know what they was doing. Lord knows I needed this, thank you. Oh, they gave me some eyelashes, 100% handmade eyelash, ooh, okay. Y'all, I'm gonna use these for backups. Y'all know we need them backups when we run out of our good eyelashes, all right? So yeah, I'm gonna need these. So that's what it came with. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head for y'all because yo, your girl running late, you know what I mean? Okay. Okay, hold on, is she cute? Is she cute? Oh, I didn't want it too long. I wanted something, you know, something like, you know, an appropriate length. This is 22-inch. This is just a closure wig, okay? This is not no frontal, baby. I don't do frontals. I'm sorry, it's too much work. Glue be lifting. I be seeing people and I just be like, I try not to look, but you can't help but notice because you just like, I'm doing a closure wig, that's it. Don't send me no frontal. Don't send me no frontal. If I wear a frontal, no lie though, I might wear it for 1 to 3 days, but this right here, I need my looks to put on the wig, I need to go. Okay, all my looks, I need to put it on and go. I ain't got time to be messing. You gotta blow dry. You gotta do a second layer of glue. Ain't nobody doing that. Yo, it is so freaking soft, you guys. This hair is so soft. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels like butter. Like this hair, literally, I wish you guys can feel it. It is so soft. It's so soft. 5x5 transparent lace closure human hair wig, 150% density. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs and all that good stuff. I'm gonna style it today, and I will have everything linked in the description box. I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. I'm not going to style it today, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, and I'll be right back. Okay, your girl is back. Okay, I am feeling this. This is so freaking cute. It might be a little puffy at the top, you guys. That's because, as you guys see, my hair is not braided down. I just brushed it in the ponytail. But yes, and I went ahead and I put some foundation right here in the part, and I put it around, and it looks, as you guys see, whew, that looks so good. I can't wait to actually style this. It is so freaking pretty. And one reason why I chose this hair, you guys, is because it was super affordable. If you guys click the link in the description box down below, you guys will see the price of this hair, okay? 22-inch BODYWAVE closure, okay? Yes, very affordable, okay? I can tell you right now, and I ain't even styled it. I made a good choice. I'm so happy, you guys. It's so like, look at this. I mean, is my elbows actually? Hopefully it's not. I mean, again, I put foundation right here. I might need to do a little bit more right here just so I can blend in. But you guys, she's beautiful, she's cute, she's gorgeous, she's she's killing it. I will probably be back with you guys tomorrow and you guys will see like the finished look. Y'all, it's looking better already. I'm not even done. But let me show you guys real quick what I got from my birthday. It is so freaking cute. Voila! This is what oh my god, I can't even see. You guys see how beautiful this looks? This thing is humongous. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. This is like the cutest thing ever, you guys. I just want to show you guys that real quick. What's up, you guys? So it's like 5 days later. Y'all put up 10, but it's like 5. Oh, forgive me. So it's May 1st. Your girl is back, okay? And as you guys can see, the improvement on the hair is out of this world, okay? Didn't pluck anything. All I did, I put some, what is it called? Eyeshadow. Yes, you know me, ghetto fabulous. I put some eyeshadow on my part, and I decided to do like a little curved part. I feel like this way it looks more natural compared to like a straight back or straight to the side. I did a like natural little like curve going on here at the top right here. As you guys can see, the top is super flat. Okay, I'll tell you guys what I did. I put some water, and what I did was the wand curl that I used to create my curls. I put that on my hair just to flatten it out. And let me tell you guys, just can see, whoo, it's flat. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Most importantly, reason why it's flat is because I braided my hair under. In the initial video, my hair wasn't braided under, okay? So if it looked a little bit puffy, little big puffy, it's my fault. I mean, us mothers, or if you're in college, or honestly, you're just trying to, you know what I'm saying, manage your money a lot better, go affordable, and it still looks as cute as you guys can see. Okay, this is 150% density, so it's not too crazy full, but as you guys can see, it's not thin whatsoever. Okay, your girl is one thing I'm not is thin, all right? That's one thing I'm not, okay? But yes, so I went ahead, I put some wand curls in it, I put a little bit of hairspray, but that's it, you guys. This is it. I mean, cut me a little baby hairs, and it's not glued down like y'all know I keep it real. I'll show y'all whatever. It's not glued down, as you guys can see. I can snatch this bad boy off, okay? But it is secure. I have it secured in the back with the little straps in the back. So yeah, it's not going anywhere unless somebody really wanted to like just like yank it off. They really could. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, with the wind and all that, the hair isn't going anywhere. And Ucrown hair body wave. It's a 5x5. Closure only, okay? So it's a closure wig, not a frontal, baby. Only got the closure going on, okay? Not all that. But that's it. I will leave everything in the description box down below, so make sure you guys click the link. So yes, the whole point of me getting this hair was because of the price, y'all. When I say the price, watch, just don't listen to me. Click the link. You know, if I'm leaving anything out, I'm pretty sure I am. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys have questions. And as you guys can see, I am absolutely in love with this hair. I mean, as far as shedding, very minimal. As far as tangling, little to none. That was it. I just want to show you guys some good hair that I decided to try on Amazon. I bought this hair with my own money. I looked at the reviews, I did all that, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna get that one right there. That's what I did, and I am so happy, and I am just so like thankful that this hair turned out absolutely amazing. If you guys enjoyed this little hair review, this little hair tutorial, not really a tutorial, just kind of like a review of this hair, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed right now, I don't know, there's something wrong with you. I don't know. But guess what? We're gonna fix it. We'll make sure you subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed, okay? If you guys want to do me the biggest favor, make sure you guys share my videos to your friends, your families, your haters, your dog. I don't care. Make your dog watch the video, okay? But make sure you guys support your girl. Make sure you guys share my content. I really appreciate it. You guys mean the world to me. Seriously. You guys literally mean everything to me. But that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see pictures of me looking all cute and all that, like... Hey, you guys want to see some pictures with me looking all cute and all that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at iRockForLife. I love you guys once again. It's Saturday. Your girl about to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, have some Saturday night fun. I mean, I'm looking cute. This is too cute to be in the house. This is too cute, okay? And it's too much time to do my makeup. You guys see, like, that's it. Love you guys. I could talk for days. I don't know. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys had a beautiful May. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already May. Like, Okay, I'm done. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. Peace. Mwah.